how to fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver 4.3. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver 4.3. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you have to make sure your graphics card driver is updated. To do so, search for Device Manager on your computer. Then click on Display Adapter and select your graphics driver. Over here, click on Update Driver and choose Search Automatically. If an update is available, install the latest version. Then what you have to do is check your OpenGL version. Blender requires OpenGL 4.3 or higher. You can use a tool like GP UCAPS Viewer to check your OpenGL version. If the problem persists, try reinstalling Blender. Finally, some users have reported that deleting the lib folder in the Blender installation and copying it again solved the issue. So that's basically how you can fix Blender unsupported graphics card or driver 4.3. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.